this is Pamela and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is all about the mystery crochet book crochet along that I have going on my channel, and it's not too late to join. This is book 2, Dead Men Don't Crochet, and this book I just got this off of Amazon, and it's by Betty Hechtman. In these books they have a pattern, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. And they have a recipe. So we are going to try out the recipe. So let's go ahead and get started and just get right into it. So these series books are about a character named Molly Pink and the Tarzana Hookers. She did not know how to crochet when she first started in the book 1, and she more or less taught herself. She bought a little book, and it's kind of like what I did. I taught myself by buying a book back in the day. Anyway, so these books right here, they're mystery crochet books. And this one is very good. The first one was very good as well, but this one is good. And this time, one of the ladies in the group is being accused of murder. And so she wants to get her friend, clear her friend. Anyway, this one is very good, just like the first one, Dead Men Don't Crochet. I really like this one. And so the pattern that is in this one is it says a shawl, but it's more like a scarf to me. And I'm using Pioneer Woman yarn for mine, but here's what I have so far. It's very pretty. I don't know how close I can get that to the camera, but there you are. Very nice. I am enjoying this. The first one was a granny square, and then the second one is this scarf right here. I am using, I think that's a medium, no, I think it's a 3 light, because it called for a medium 4 weight. So mine actually probably should be a little bigger. This is 100% acrylic and 394 yards. I used 1 skein on this so far, and I'm just not really seeing where that's at. Oh gosh, 3 light. I found it. All right, so that's Pioneer Woman, and the hook, like I said, I don't know if I said, I think I got sidetracked, is an H 5.0 millimeter crochet hook that I'm using for my scarf. So yeah, if you want to join this crochet along, come on, just jump right in. This book right here, the recipe is, let me see exactly what they call it. It's cheesecake cupcakes, and that may be what it's called. But yeah, in the back of the books, they have a recipe and a pattern. How awesome is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. So it's Molly's Cheesecake Cupcakes. So we are going to try one. Here's what it looks like. This does have a little icing, so you bake it first, and then you put the little sour cream, I guess it's sour cream icing on the top, and then you bake it again, about 10 more minutes. And then you chill it. So it has to go in the refrigerator. So, but here's what it looks like right there. I haven't eaten today, so this will be my first thing to eat, so I'm pretty hungry. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. That is so good. My grandkids are coming over today, and I thought I'd use them as a test, but you know, I don't know if they would like sour cream and cream cheese and all that. But yeah, it's got a graham cracker crumb, and then it has the filling, the cheesecake filling. And I think it's, let's see, what is that? Anyway, sour cream, and anyway, it's got a filling, and then you have a top on it. This is so good. Mmm. 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 Okay, I like this even better than the last one that we had. It was a pound cake that was in the last one. But man, this is good. Y'all gonna sit here and watch me eat this whole thing because this is delicious. I'm gonna have to serve this at some little family get-togethers. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, guys. Even if you don't want to join the crochet along, it's worth getting the book just for the recipes alone. And I like that they're things made from scratch. Mm. Well, guys, that was delicious. And actually, the filling made enough to make probably 6 more. So I kept the mixture that was for the filling, and I'm gonna make some more. I just have to make a little bit more topping because there wasn't any topping left, and there wasn't any graham cracker crumbs left. I didn't have any graham cracker crumbs, so I just took graham crackers and cut them up, or did this like here, kind of beat them up. But yeah, it's very easy. I enjoy it. But yeah, there they are. Look at that. Oh, that's good. I don't know how many calories that is, but we're not counting, are we? No, we're not counting on that. So guys, go ahead and join this crochet along. It is so much fun. The books are amazing. There's romance, there's mystery, there's crochet, there's knit. Oh my gosh, it has a little bit of everything. So ladies, gentlemen, not just ladies, go ahead and join this crochet along. I believe that you are going to have fun. I think there's about 15 of these. So for about the next 15 months, you get to make new recipes, you get to make a new pattern, and you get to read an awesome, amazing crochet book. So go ahead and join along, guys. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.